Hey guys, today we are cleaning Dad's skull.
We just got out of the movie and it was way good. Peace out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're having a great day, because we certainly are. It's early in the morning and we are headed to, we have like a group that we go walking with every morning for the first few weeks of summer, because we're like kind of training for this like camp that we're gonna do towards the end of this month. And we're super excited for that, so we go walking for a couple miles every morning. So that's where we're headed right now. And today we're gonna take you along for the ride. Okay, we are done with our walk. I got a little bit of footage, but it wasn't really that much to see. We were just walking and talking. But we're gonna go home now, eat breakfast. Yeah, and then we have more plans today. We'll let you know about those later. But it was a good walk, and we're awake now. But actually, we're gonna do a game of stick pull first, because we found a big stick. And that's also something that goes along with like our camp thing. That's like a game that we play. So we're gonna practice. Beckham, Katie.
Instead, he's singing up to the
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Identify their.
You're eating cereal?
We're reading Thor. It's Mommy.
Hey guys, we're back. It's probably only a couple seconds for you, but it's been like probably 2 hours. We got ready and did our chores, and we're gonna go watch Endgame for the second time in the movie theater. And we're super excited. This is like our new favorite movie. So we're gonna go in, me and Britton. And so it'll be like 3 or 4 hours for us, but we'll see you guys in 2 seconds. We'll see you guys in 2 seconds. 2 seconds. In 2 seconds.
Hey guys, today we are cleaning Dad's skull, and we name it Sally.
Yep, we're gonna clean Sally today.
Yeah.
You guys didn't know that's Kyra's car.
We got Beckham and Kaylee here to help me. Britton and Bella went to their movie, so we decided to do something fun without them, huh?
We
Yeah.
went to Endgame.
Yep, it's gonna be fun. So here's the car. Hasn't been washed since last summer because it gets so cold here in Logan.
The water would freeze as we were putting it on.
So here's them getting the towels ready.
Oh,
Beckham, are you wiping it off?
might be right. So they can be also
Good job.
now news. Good. Wait, where's Scary? So she is.
She's getting the windows. You guys are doing a good job.
Oh, my hands are
None of
so
us are all
open.
No, I got the top already.
The following clip is brought to you by Kaylee.
So we are inside the car right now, and Kyler is spraying us. Here she comes. Oh, nope, other side. Maybe. Yep, there it is. She goes on and off. She's getting the back. And guess who's driving? There she is. Getting the bottom. Getting the top.
So the kids had so much fun doing that now we're gonna do the van for our mom. Beckham, what are we gonna do? You excited? You excited?
Yeah.
Look at our hard workers. Beckham, what's this car's name?
Martina Queen.
And what's that car's name?
Sorry.
And what's Daddy's car's name?
Me too.
Good job. Don't be wet.
He went that way. He's getting in the slide.
That's what you get for spraying me with water.
Okay, so we just got out of the movie and it was way good. It was even better the second time, I think. But yeah, it was super good. There was not that many people there because it's like Tuesday morning-ish time. So it was like, last time we went, there was all these people talking behind us, and so that was good. But it was way good, and if you haven't seen it, I would absolutely encourage you to go see it because it's a way good movie.
What are you watching?
Are we still at Ding Dong? We're supposed to be on total security lockdown. Come on, I threatened a terrorist. Who is that?
Britton and Bella are home from their movie. How did it go, Britton?
What?
How did it go?
Good.
Your movie?
Yeah.
That's it.
It was great.
Bella, how was your movie?
Right there's fine.
It was fantastic and 1,000 times better than the first time, but the first time it was already like level 3,000.
Are you?
You love it 3,000?
I love it 4,000.
Do you love it 6,000?
Do you have it 3,000?
It was so good.
Kaylee got in the shower after our water games, and now she's eating a Slurpee.
Normally I go for that sort of thing, but no.
Hey guys, we had some errands to run, and we finished those, and now we have mutual tonight, so that's where me and Kyler are headed. Tonight we're getting together with some of the elderly people that live in our neighborhood, and we're going to help them record some of their stories from their life. So that should be fun. I will try to see what I can get of it, but I'm way excited. We do this once a week, and so that's what we decided to do this week, and should be lit. Hey guys, what's up? We just got done with everything. We're all starting to get home. Britton's the only one that hasn't gotten here yet, but he should be getting home soon. And we just want to say thanks for coming along today. It was a fun day. And we really appreciate you guys. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. And we're super thankful for you guys. So we hope you have a great day, because we sure did.
Bye.
Peace out.